This is the Helpful Lockpicker here. The video I have for you today is a challenge lock sent to me by you/intbada. It is called Yellow, also known as Butter, and we'll see what it takes to get inside. I'm going to use my top of the keyway tension in 50 thousandths, and my standard hook in 25 thousandths. Little click off of 1, nothing on 2. Then on 3, little click on 4, multiple clicks on 5. Okay. Now we're in a false set. Let's see. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'll click on 2 there. And some clicks on 3. Click on 3, let's see. Just gotta click on 2. Another click off 2. One's good. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're open. Alright, let's zoom out and see what's inside. See if we can get the circlip off without locking it up. This lock was strange. It gives you some really deep false sets that you really can't get past. It makes me think, I don't know, it's a very thin pin in there, not really a spool. But either way, this lock did a good job at keeping me out, and it was fun to open up. And if I remember correctly, on the key it says use a shim. So I will try to follow those instructions. All right. Okay, key pin 1. Lightly serrated. 2 kind of has that spool at the top. Same on 3. 4 lightly serrated. 5 slightly serrated. When I opened this lock yesterday, it gave me almost 70-degree false set, at least 50 degrees. Just really interested to see what the pinning on the inside looks like. One's kind of like a T-pin kind of looking thing. Now that could explain the false set you get and the lack of feedback, because once you get just stuck on that little tip there, there's really not much to feel. Two's a pretty thin spool. Three serrated, kind of hybrid spool-ish, a little sort of thin in the middle, but not really. Oops. Alright, so this thin one was in 4. Then, oh, alright, whatever. Alright, and 5 is serrated. And then we got some springs here. I'm not sure which order they were in, but okay. So this pinning looks pretty cool. To show you, I think what was causing this really large false sets were, 1, if it got caught up there on the driver pin, that could cause it. 2 is a pretty thin spool, and on 4 it's pretty thin too, so it was pretty crazy the false sets I was seeing. But the pinning's pretty good, very well done. This lock kind of tricks you because it feels pretty easy to open at first, but then you realize the lock's not actually open and you're stuck on a pin. And then on the inside here, it looks like he did do some drilling on it as well on 4 and 5. If we'll be able to see it. Okay, and then the key pin chambers, nothing. And here's the key. Just gonna open her up. Just toss the key pins in and see how well it lines up. Looks pretty good. Alright, well thank you u/intbada for making this lock. This lock has been called Yellow, also known as Butter. It's been a fun little challenge lock to open. If you guys have any suggestions on videos you would like to see me make, please leave them in the comments below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe. As always, I hope you have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out. Bye.